Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Mason Pearson. I'm on Twitter, Mason Pearson 21. You see, I have 2 boxes of Allen Ginter baseball. I had 3 boxes. If you've not watched the first one yet, please watch it before this. But if you want to, just go ahead. I don't care, it's your choice. But I'm sticking the one on the right. So there's 8 packs per box. 48 cards in this box too, so let's get this open here. There's the box design. Chris Bryant right there. I do like the Chris Bryant card from last year. There's the odds. There's the side of the box. And there's the other side. So here we go. Second box of 2016 Topps Allen Ginter baseball. This is the release date. I also found out I have 27 subscribers on this channel. So thank you for the subscribers. Oh, the subs. Alright. Got something gold in here, what the hell? Had an insert of Nolan Ryan. Got another insert, kind of. A mini of Ben Revere. No variation. And Sony Gray. Home Run Derby champion, Giancarlo Stanton. Logan Forsythe. Insert, Arrieta, but Jackie Robinson. Arrieta Mini. And we got a Brandon Belt. I believe he was an all-star. I forget now. There's the pack design too. There you go. You're probably noticing I'm not outside anymore. The reason is it's too hot out there, so. Like that card, Daniel Murphy. D. Gordon, insert. Here's another mini. Michael Franco. And the next 2. I do like the microphone for these actors. Or singers, or whatever you call them. Marcell Ozuna. A mini of... Woohoo! Oh, yay! Trevor Story. Ginter back. Nice. Nice. My very first Trevor Story card. Andy Pete and Josh Reddick. That's a nice card so far. I know there's Kenta Miura, but I didn't know there was Trevor Story one either, so that's good. Manny Machado, numbers game. Another card. A mini. And Carl Yastrzemski, Hall of Famer. 3 more packs left. for box number 2. Reggie Jackson. David Ortiz. No variation to that. Tyson Ross. And Jose Canseco. 2 more packs left. Anthony Rendon, D. Gordon, P.E.D. Gordon, Miguel Sterno. I know there's a dumb angle right there, but the mini was FJT. No variation in that one. Not a Ginter pack either. But if you... Ooh, there's a Cub. If you guys see any variations, please let me know. Horse. Well. Another mini. And the very last one is Marcus Semien. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this second box break.